The United Nations highest court on Wednesday ruled that wealthy countries must comply with their commitments to curb fossil fuels and pollution, or risk being held financially liable by nations hit the hardest by climate change. The 15-member UN International Court of Justice said that treaties compel rich nations to curb global warming, and that the countries were also responsible for the actions of companies under their jurisdiction or control, Reuters reported. States must cooperate to achieve concrete emission reduction targets, Judge Yuji Iwasawa said at The Hague. Greenhouse gas emissions are unequivocally caused by human activities which are not territorially limited. Failure to do so could result in full reparations to injured states in the form of restitution, compensation, and satisfaction, provided that the general conditions of the law of state responsibility are met, the report states. In response to the ruling, White House spokeswoman Taylor Rogers told Fox News Digital that, as always, President Trump and the entire administration is committed to putting America first and prioritizing the interests of everyday Americans. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said the court opinion affirms that Paris Climate Agreement goals need to be the basis of all climate policies. This is a victory for our planet, for climate justice, and for the power of young people to make a difference, he said. The world must respond. Wednesday's ruling was hailed by a number of small nation-states. "I didn't expect it to be this good," said Ralph Regenvanu, the climate minister for the Pacific island nation of Vanuatu. Many developing nations and small island states have said they are at great risk from rising sea levels. Some have sought clarification from the court after the 2015 Paris Agreement failure to curb the growth of global greenhouse gas emissions. This is Rachel Pierce, and you've been watching Alert Desk USA, where the facts come first. Stay safe, stay informed.